Good morning, my lovely kids. Welcome to English class. In this class today we will revise our topic in on under. Okay, beta? Yes, my dear kids, before starting of this topic, let me explain you where we use in, on and under. I know आप सबको ये बहुत अच्छे से आता है ना. इन हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? जब कोई चीज किसी के अंदर पड़ी होती है ना? Where we use in, there we use in, वहाँ पे in यूज करते हैं. ओके एंड ऑन हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? ऑन मीन्स ऊपर. जो कोई चीज किसी के ऊपर पड़ी होती है, उसको वो टच कर रही होती है, वहां पे हम ऑन यूज करते हैं, है ना. और अंडर मीन्स नीचे. जब कोई चीज किसी के नीचे पड़ी होती है तो वहां पे हम क्या यूज करते हैं? देयर वी यूज अंडर. ओके.
Yes, beta, what is this? This is a table. This is a table. Now, what is on the table? Table के ऊपर क्या पड़ा है? Fruit basket. It's a fruit basket. Now tell me, where is the fruit basket? The fruit basket is on the table. The fruit basket is on the table. Table के ऊपर fruit basket पड़ी है. Okay. Now tell me, where are the fruits? The fruits are in the basket. The fruits are in the basket. Basket के अंदर fruits पड़े हैं. Now tell me, where is the basket? The basket is under the table. The basket is under the table. Okay. So हमने in on under की एक एग्जाम्पल देखी है. Okay, now where are the fruits? The fruits are in the basket. Where is the basket? The basket is under the table. Now, where is the basket? The basket is on the table. Okay? Yes, beta. Now, I am going to show you the examples of in, on, under together. See, it's a bird nest. ये bird का nest है. See, birds are sitting in the nest. Okay, so where are the birds? Yes, you tell me. Yes, the birds are in the nest. Nest के अंदर है. So, this is the example of in. Okay, beta. Now, what is on the table? Yes, it's a flower pot. The flower pot is on the table. The flower pot is on the table. Okay. Yes, beta. Now, where is the bag? It's a paper bag. Where is the bag? The bag is under the table. The bag is under the table. Okay, beta.
Let's start our work. First of all, write down the date. Date is 30th.8.21 and write down the day MONDAY Monday and write down the heading in, on, under. In hyphen on hyphen under. And this is your margin line and write down number 1. And number 1 is the spoon. Start writing with me. Capital T, first letter capital THE, the spoon. SP double O, that is double ON. The spoon. IS is, yes, here make a blank to fill in, on, under. The spoon is dash the THE, the cup. CUP, cup. Okay, and here put full stop. Okay, now we will make a box. You have to make a box. Okay, and इस box में we will draw the picture. Picture draw करेंगे. The spoon is dash the cup. Here draw a cup like this. इसका handle. Okay, now we will draw the picture of the spoon. Okay, so here make a spoon. Okay, the spoon is dash the cup. Where is the spoon? Spoon कहाँ पे है? आपको पिक्चर्स को अंडरस्टैंड करके यस बेटा यू हैव टू ये फिल करनी है ब्लैंक्स. यू हैव टू फिल द ब्लैंक्स. ओके, द स्पून इज डैश द कप. वेयर इज द स्पून? द स्पून इज इन द कप. सो हियर वी विल फिल IN in. Okay beta, and here put dot on small I. Okay, बच्चे. Next one is number 2 is the cat, capital T, small h, small e. The cat, cat. The next one is is put dot on small I. Then here make a blank के लिए space छोड़ो. Okay, leave a blank. The cat is dash the log. THE, the, then log. LOG. Okay, बच्चे. And here put full stop. The cat is blank the log. And here make a box. Okay. And the cat is dash the log. And here we will make a log. Okay. Like this. And यहाँ पे हम cat draw करेंगे. Okay, we will draw a cat. Now tell me, where is the cat? The cat is on the log. Where she is sitting? The cat is sitting on the log ना? Log के ऊपर है. So here we will fill on. Okay, the cat is on the log. Okay. Now the next is number 3 is the capital T, then small h, small e. The rat, RAT, rat. Cut on the small t. The rat is is. Put dot on small I and here leave the blank. Okay, इन और अंडर फिल करने के लिए the rat is dash the chair. THE, the chair. CHAIR. Put dot on small I and here full stop. Be careful about the full stop. Make a box like this. And here we will draw a chair like this, and here make a rat. Okay. Yes. Now you tell me, where is the rat? The rat is under the chair, है ना? The rat is कहाँ पे है? Under the chair. So here you will write UNDER, under. The rat is under the chair. Okay, beta. Next is number 4 is the ball, capital T, small h, small e. The ball, BALL, ball is is. Put dot on small I, then here make a blank. The ball is dash the THE, the, then mat, MAT, mat. And here put full stop. Okay. Then make a box. Now the ball is dash the mat. Here we will draw a mat. Okay. हम मैट ड्रॉ करेंगे यहाँ पे. And यहाँ पे बॉल ड्रॉ कर देंगे. We will draw a ball. And now you tell me, where is the ball? The ball is on the mat. Mat के ऊपर पड़ी है ना? So here we will fill on. Okay. Now the 5th sentence is number 5 is the kite, capital T, small h, small e. The K-I-T-E. Kite is I-S is, make a blank, T-H-E, the, cut on the small t, then hut, H-U-T, hut, and here put full stop. Okay, the kite is dash the hut. Okay, here we will make a box. Okay, box draw करेंगे and box के अंदर we will draw a hut like this, and here we will draw a kite. Now where is the kite? The kite is on the hut. Hut के ऊपर पड़ी है. The kite is on the hut. So here we will fill O-N, on. The kite is on the hut. Okay, beta. The next one is number 6 is, here write down number 6. Yes, capital T, small h, small e. The paper, P-A-P-E-R. The paper, I-S is, put dot on small I, then make a blank. The bed, B-E-D, bed, and here put full stop. The paper is dash the bed. Here we'll make a box. Okay, and here make a picture of bed. Okay, long, yes, that long होता है ना, long बनाना है आपको. Yes, the paper is dash the bed, and here we will draw a paper. Okay, now tell me, where is the paper? The paper is under the bed. Okay, so here we will fill under. Under, U-N-D-E-R. The paper is under the bed. Okay, beta. Next, number 7 is the flower, T-H-E, the flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. The flower, I-S is, put dot on small I, here make a blank, leave a blank. Okay, the flower is dash the, T-H-E, the flower pot, F-L-O-W-E-R-P-O-T, flower pot. Here put full stop, and here make a box. Okay, box. Okay, the flower is dash the flower pot. Okay, here we will draw a flower pot like this. Okay, and here we'll make a flower. Okay, now where is the flower? The flower is in the flower pot, है ना? The flower is in the flower pot. Flower pot के अंदर है ना? The flower pot के अंदर क्या पड़ा हुआ है? Flower. The flower pot. The flower is in the flower pot. So here we will fill I and in, and here put dot. Dot on small I. Okay. Then next, number 8 sentence is, number 8 is, okay, the boy, capital T, small h, small e. The boy, B-O-Y, boy, I-S is, the boy is, leave a blank, the boy is dash the, T-H-E, the tree. Okay, and here put full stop, and here make a box. Now we will draw a picture of tree and here we will draw the picture of boy. Okay. Now tell me, where is the boy? The boy is standing under the tree, na? The boy is under the tree. Under the tree. So here we will fill under, UNDER. Okay, UNDER. Yes beta. So आपको ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करनी है इन ऑन अंडर की. ओके, एक बार फिर से हम रिवाइज करते हैं अपना वर्क. The spoon is in the cup. Where is the spoon? The spoon is in the cup. Okay. The cat is on the log. Where is the cat? The cat is sitting on the log, na? Okay. The cat is sitting on the log. So the cat is on the log. The rat is under the chair. Where is the rat? The rat is under the chair. Okay. The rat is sitting under the chair. Okay. The ball is on the mat. Where is the ball? The ball is on the mat. Okay. The kite is on the hut. Where is the kite? The kite is on the hut. हट के ऊपर kite है. Kite पड़ी है. Okay. The paper is dash the bed. Where is the paper? The paper is under the bed. So here we have written under. Okay. The flower is dash the flower pot. The flower is in the flower pot. Flower pot के अंदर क्या पड़ा है? Flower. Okay. The boy is dash the tree. Where is the boy standing? He is standing under the tree. Okay. Yes बेटा, आपको पिक्चर्स को अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करके then you have to fill in on under. Do practice of in on under. Okay बेटा, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.